Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp sync issues on WhatsApp desktop. If your chats are not syncing, new messages are not appearing, or WhatsApp desktop is taking too long to update, this guide will help you fix the problem. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your computer. If your chats are not syncing properly, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your computer is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Next, completely close WhatsApp desktop. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. In many cases, simply restarting the application fixes temporary sync problems. Now, open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, install the latest version. Keeping WhatsApp desktop updated helps fix bugs and improve syncing performance. If the issue continues, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find WhatsApp, click Advanced Options, and select Repair if the option is available. This can fix app issues without affecting your chats. After that, launch WhatsApp desktop again and wait a few moments for your messages to sync. If everything is working correctly, your latest chats should appear automatically. If you're still experiencing sync issues, try logging out of WhatsApp desktop. Then open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Linked Devices, tap Link a device, and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. This creates a fresh connection between your phone and WhatsApp desktop and often resolves syncing problems. Finally, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, because WhatsApp desktop depends on your account syncing correctly, and that's it. That's how you can fix WhatsApp sync issues on WhatsApp desktop in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp desktop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.